Okay. Bakit nasa summary na tayo? Okay. Ay, mahaba itong ano, narration. Sige, basahin na lang natin guys all together, Basahin na lang all together so that you can understand the topics better. Okay? So this particular chapter on counselors reinforcing behavior deals with the skills of counselors reinforcing behavior. As I mentioned earlier, these are the traits or skills that tries to support, that tries to enhance, and that tries to make better the behavior of a counselor rather during a counseling session. So it involves the awareness of a client's communication. So again, you have to we go back to our previous lessons. There are three types of distracting and not healthy clients communication, specifically under participatory counselor. Then we have the over